This is dryer. No really complaints about this. It seemed like the first few times it didn't dry the load all the way. I think that has something to do with the sensor dry. It shut it down too soon. Pretty much like the other one. I mean, the other dryer was front load, so there's really no difference. It's just higher. And that is one positive. You're not bending over to get the load out. It's up here pretty well ergonomic, I guess you call it. And you pull the load out, so it is much easier on your back. You have your delicates, bulky large, permanent press, cotton normal. You have your manual dry, speed dry. You got fresh up, air dry. Is not Apple friendly, and there's a downloaded cycle, so if you want a specific cycle for drying. Really nice tub interior. No complaints with that. No maintenance other than you put your hand right here in the bottom and this will come up. Every time you take a load out, clean that out. Every single time. You don't do another load. So what if there's just minimal lint on there? Clean it out every single time. Door shuts. Basic dryer. I mean, there's no complaints about it. Main point, this is higher and is much more ergonomic for you to reach into and pull your load out versus one that's lower to the ground that does not have the pedestal.